All right, hey everybody, Stefan from Paint Boss. We're staining some desert oak on some white oak 8-foot doors. They're gonna show you how it's done right. Nancy's putting it on, and we're taking it off right behind them. As you can see, this is has a lot of pigment in this stain right here. So Nancy's getting it all in there, and the boys are coming right behind her and wiping it all off. You don't have much room for error on these doors because they're so big and they're so dry. It's a wipe on, wipe off immediately. A lot of other stains you have a little bit more time to play with, but this one the client wants it to be a little bit milky, but still see all of that wood grain in there that comes out of the white oak. And you can see how that's already setting up, and they're going at it. Most stains you don't have to go so quick, so fast, but this one you want it to just penetrate the wood really quick and then get it off right away so we can land at this beautifully. You can see how that's already setting up like that. Getting all the smudges. You can see that grain. Look at how beautiful that is. Real quick like. Nice, guys. Very nice. You can see here's the finished pile. And each door has a little bit of movement. See that cross grain, regular grain? And these this is when it dries. See that nice, frosty, almost glazed look on that door. And then when the clear coat goes on that, it's going to bring out the richness and the darkness of that white oak. I think this brings it to about 48, so they've been busy. They're working hard. But I mean, this is a great finished product. Check out how that door looks with that stain. Just absolutely beautiful. This is what they look like raw. Kind of do a quick sand on those. Quick sand, clean them up, and here they go again. Just getting through it really quickly. It takes good teamwork on that to get it all off right away. Nice. Nice, Nancy. Nice, Gabino. See, and then it comes back. You can see this one's already drying up. See how nice and even it's all laying down there? So, you got to remember, some stains you let sit on there, penetrate the wood and get nice and dark. This one's called Desert Oak, and it's supposed to be a little bit translucent and not cover up too much of that wood grain. So you can see each panel to each panel. You just keep moving through them. Here's a nice finished shot of that as it's drying, and then we'll let these dry overnight tonight, and then tomorrow we'll come in and start the clear coat on all these guys. Nice. You see how she's going sideways like that because you want to put all that stain into all that wood grain. That's super important, so no light spots. We like using these staining sponges. They hold a lot more product. So you can see as Nancy does that, she's not having to dip it a bunch of times. Just one dip for one door. Nice. Great job, you guys. That looks awesome. Great job. Muy bonita.